I created a lot of shit that niggas take credit for.
Yo, young boy, what's
but
your
I'm
name,
content
bro?
with that.
How you say your name, young Lucy?
Drive the Rolls Royce real fast with a big bang.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chico Doinkins, Chico talking Doinkins. You know what time it is. Make sure I hit that like button and make sure I hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I love everybody. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Comment down below and see what I'm finna do to my hair. Today we're gonna do a hair tutorial. I'm sure how to do with my hair. As y'all see, my hair look crazy right now. I got hair all over my face, but once this video is over, I'm gonna look like a whole new man. So make sure y'all tune in. You gotta watch exactly what I do, because if you don't, you're not gonna be able to get your hair like how I get my hair. So make sure I watch the full video. So as y'all know, I'm looking kind of rough right now, but that's all gonna be good because I got these clippers right here, and with these clippers, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shave off my sides right here, and then I'll try to, you know, maybe clean it up a little bit over here too. But I'm gonna use these clippers to get myself together. I'll be using this comb to comb my hair out, and then I'll be washing, and then I'll be conditioning my hair as well. Oh, y'all know when you go to the barbershop, they ass always give you one of these motherfuckers for some reason. I look like a barbershop now for one around my motherfucking neck. I don't know what this shit do for you, but we finna tie this bitch around our neck just like we at the barbershop, y'all. I look bogus right now. It's damn near 8 a.m. I like to trim my shit down a little bit, so y'all see. I'll go ahead and kick it like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Now go this way. You see. Facial done. Facial is clean now. Facial is clean. So if you want to know what type of products I use, these are the products that I use right here. I use black soap, the African black soap, and then I use the quenching coconut curl shampooing. As y'all see, you gotta get your hair wet first. I'm gonna go get my comb after my hair is fully wet, and then I'll put the shampoo in here. Wet. So once you got the hair all wet, you want to just shake it a little bit. Shake it, baby. Hey.
Shake it, baby. Hey.
Once you got the shampoo in your hand, you put it in your head. Put it all the way around though. Don't just put it in one spot, put it all around. It's supposed to be sturdy. If your hair don't look like this, you ain't doing it right. You get shampoo in my hair. I know a lot of y'all like don't comb your hair with the shampoo, do it with the conditioner. But me personally, I like to do it with the shampoo and not the conditioner, because my conditioner, it got like some curl activator in there. So if you comb your hair out with the conditioner in it, it is like you'll be combing your curls out. So we're gonna do that before. If you always use the thick side, don't ever use the small side, or you're gonna be out here crying like a little girl. So use the thick side. You see it go right through my hair, no problem. So if you use this shampoo, I kid you not, when you trying to comb your hair out, it's gonna go right through. This shampoo is the best shampoo to use to comb your hair out or get it straightened. Even though it's a curly, like those other shampoos and conditioners, because like I say, they have damaged my hair and they terrible. The quality is terrible. They use all type of shit in they products. So again, if y'all want natural products, man, go shop with them. So now that I got my hair combed out, as y'all see, hair looks from where they looked at first when I first got out the shower, and when I first got in the shower. When I first got in the shower, I think I got all of the shampoo out now. Once I get all of the shampoo out, you gotta shampoo your hair twice. You gotta know you gotta shampoo it twice. to get into a ponytail now. Yeah. And for any video, you don't gotta be weirded out, cause I'm a man. So like I said, I got on all clothes, fully clothed while I'm in the shower doing this tutorial for y'all. So y'all ain't gotta worry about nothing. I appreciate all y'all. Like I said, I looked out for y'all. You feel me? Cause I know y'all wanna look at no other man's business. Yeah, so I hooked y'all up. Y'all ain't even gotta look at me. Now y'all know how to do my hair or do your hair like me. At least I can have on my clothes. Yeah. So now I got the conditioner in my hair, y'all. So now I just want to mix it all in. And then you're going to let it sit. You always let the conditioner sit in your hair for a longer time. So as the conditioner sit in my hair, this is where I wash myself up, alright? You feel me? There you go. This shit supposed to look like this. No cap, I know that's how it's supposed to come out looking, man. I got water all in my eyes and shit, but as y'all see, man, we all good. So yeah, y'all, as you know, like I said, if you know, you know. Now y'all see the finished product. So if you want to get your hair like mine, here y'all go. Go, man. If y'all want to see another better look with the flash on, here it goes. I can see the curls. You can see how defined they are. And then you can see my face too, my facial hair. I know I probably still got water running down it though.